G'day everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. If you don't know, I've actually got two granddaughters, one is 4 years old and the young one's only 9 months old. And today we're going to be looking at toys that I printed off for my 9-month-old granddaughter. Now the first one we're going to look at is the good old set of keys. Naturally, if you need to get them to sleep, give them a set of keys and they'll play these all day until they fall asleep. Now, like all kids, guaranteed to lose their keys. So Poppy, being a good Poppy, printed a second set for her so she can play with them whenever she wants. Right, the next one we're going to be looking at is the rainbow puzzle. Now, as usual, I'll put all close-ups of my models at the end of the video. Now, all these have been printed either on my Anycubic or my Illugu printers, and none of them require the Ames print. They're all single colour prints, which is quite good. Now, the rainbow one, as I just pull them off as you go along, put it all back on, nice and easy. She can put them upside down if she wants, whichever way she wants to do it. She can do whatever she wants because she's my granddaughter and she has that privilege of doing that. This fun, nice, easy print, and she'll play this for hours, I imagine. And the good thing about this, if she loses a piece, I just print another one off for her. Right, the next one is the old hoops and toys. Okay, once again, just all different colours. She can just put these on, and it's 9-month-old. She can play them, bite them, all that type of stuff. And once again, if she does lose them, I can just put them back on. Now, the next one we got for you is the old toys and shapes board. Fantastic little print. I actually quite like this. Just comes in, puts them in straight away, nice and easy for her, so she can pull them all out and put them back in. Bit of an educational toy for her, and go from there. Nice, easy, as I said. Print off in one different colour. She can make these all different colours you want to. I decided to make them blue and yellow because I'm a Mad Parramatta fan, and she's going to, when she grows up, she's going to be a Mad Parramatta supporter as well. Now, the last one, which I think is my favourite, is the old spinning toys. Okay, as you can see, there's a spin on and spin back on what you want. Love this one. It does take a while to print this one. This took about 9 hours to print. The biggest issue was with the tower itself. If you do print the tower, I would actually add supports like I had to do because I printed it twice. It did fail twice because the top wobbled too much and put out of alignment. So I just put in 2 supports, stop the top wobbling, away you go. But yeah, again, once again, this is actually fantastic for us. So you can print one in there. Once again, put it in any way she wants to put them in, upside down if she wants to. Doesn't matter which way she goes. And they just spin in there. I actually quite love this toy, and she'll have hours of playing this. That's all from me this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you do, and stay tuned for the close-ups of the models.
Here you go, my granddaughter.
Wow, Poppy, you're amazing!